Hey guys, LOL Pop Me here. And back to the subject, people think love is a beautiful thing, and I do too. But do you really love a person enough to shout it from the rooftops with your voice coming louder and louder every time you think about that person? You just want to scream and shout and just stand there. But do you really love her? Do you just really love her for who she is? Or are you dating her for her looks? You gotta really love the person, guys. And the word is overused. I know that. And I know I'm a big fighter about that, too. I would like to say thank you all. And I hope you find what you are looking for. And you know what? I hope everyone who's dating out there, I hope you love each other. You know what? Thank you for tuning in. Love you guys all my subscribers. Thank